How's it going, folks? SYGTECH is here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited to share with you guys that I bought the DJI Nano. Now, very excited about this small camera. Even though I'm not a big fan, I'm gonna be honest with you. I watched a lot of videos, a lot of comparison videos. It's not my main option, my first option, but I'm gonna give you my thoughts why I bought it. Now, first, the price. The price is, I think, for this camera, for what you get, I think it's a very good price. £260 here in UK. My second option choice was the Insta360 Go Ultra, but the Go Ultra actually is £380 here in UK. And the difference is obviously £130. So I want to give it a try. We'll see if it's going to work. We'll see if this camera actually is going to be okay. It's going to be perfect fit for my videos, because I'm planning to do interesting and cool videos outdoor, especially with the new DJI 5 Pro, which actually I bought a couple of days ago. So I'm planning to do like videos about this drone. I did already 2 videos. I did like first impressions, unboxing, and also advanced return to home. I'm planning to do more with this drone. It's been released like a couple of weeks ago, so it's still brand new. I haven't tried yet like properly to be outside. So the reason I bought the Nano is obviously it's a small camera and I need something for POV shots. And the second reason is Osmo audio. So also I bought the mic mini a couple of days ago. I haven't done a video yet, so I'm planning to do a separate video with this mic mini. I do have another mic, a wireless system from Holy Land. This is the Mark II. I had it for 1 year. Fantastic microphone, but I picked the DJI mic mini for the only reason, obviously the sound and the Osmo audio. Obviously this is gonna work fantastically, very easy with the Osmo products, so that's why I bought it. Plus the price was fantastic. I bought it for £75 a couple of days ago. Apparently sometimes there's a sales going on, so make sure to check. No brainer. So you get the microphone, you get the case. So yeah, that's why I bought the Nano. Obviously the price and the audio obviously that you get, and comes with this interesting nice bag with all the accessories, pretty cool. But mainly the price and the Osmo audio. The microphone will work fantastic with Osmo products. And the second reason, like I mentioned, is the audio, the price, but it's something small. I know there's a lot of videos going on with the Nano. It's overheating. There's a lot of problems. I'm gonna test it. We'll see if this camera is gonna be perfect fit for my channel. Like I mentioned, I'm planning to do a lot of videos outside with the Mini 5 Pro. I'm gonna go outside. I really want to try to do more outside, especially now we are in the middle of October, and yeah, I want to be outside, be outdoor, do more. I think it's going to be fun to test the Mini 5 Pro. And also I'm very excited about the new DJI Action 6, which is going to be released, by the way, according to a YouTube channel which I subscribed nearly 2 months ago. I'm going to link the channel in the descriptions down below. The photorabz channel, pretty cool channel. I subscribed to this channel nearly 2 months ago. Actually, I was looking for Action 5, but then for some reason I started to get videos about the Action 6, like leaks, news about the Action 6, and the photorabz channel was recommended to my feed, which immediately I subscribed. The videos that photorabz makes are super natural, super cool, very calm, and there is no hype. Nothing wrong with the hype, obviously. But yeah, link in the descriptions down below. Make sure to check the channel. And after I watch a lot of videos, like I mentioned, I was not a big fan of about the Nano. Actually, the Action 5, I think it's the better camera. I don't have it. Maybe I'm gonna buy it. Let's see. But yeah, we'll test it. We'll see. I will do a lot of videos with this camera. The main problem many people complaining is the overheating. I think the overheating is not an issue for me. Again, if you're planning to record for long hours, the Action 5 is gonna be better, but I'm not planning to record for hours. I need something small for POV shots, to go outside, to attach it to my head, to my chest, and I will test it. And also it's gonna work very well with the mic mini, like I mentioned earlier. So very excited for the new Nano, which by the way, it's coming tomorrow according to Amazon. And I'm super excited the Action 6. Let's see if the Action 6 is gonna be with 1-inch sensor, but even if it's not with a 1-inch sensor, I'm still planning to buy the camera. Such a shame about the GoPro with the, I mean, they don't release the GoPro 14 this year, which is such a shame. I really planning to buy the Action 6 and the GoPro 14 Black, but this year they decide not to release the camera, or maybe we'll be surprised. You never know. Maybe we're gonna see the GoPro 14 Black next month. But yeah, this is the plan for me. Planning to do more, be outside, film more with the drone, do some comparison videos. So I hope you subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, guys, leave it in the comments down below. Like I mentioned, all the products I mentioned in today's video are not sponsored by DJI. I purchased the DJI mic mini by myself, the Action 5 Pro. The Action 6 is coming, like I mentioned. I'm gonna buy it again. The Nano is being purchased by myself, so nothing is being sponsored by DJI. But super excited. So there we have it, guys. This is the update for the channel. Again, make sure to check the photorabz channel. Link in the descriptions down below. Actually, this channel is pretty cool. Inspired me to do some cool videos. Planning to do something cool outside. So there we have it, guys. Any questions? Leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.